Let's now add some furniture to this plan. So I will go, also I will hide this one, HH, to hide it. Also we can go now to architecture component, and then you will try to put some furniture here. Maybe this bedroom is good. Let's put it at the other side here, maybe like that. If you want to play with that, you can also go to the family and give it another side, maybe a little bit smaller like that, but I will go with the larger one, the queen. And then I will go to component. Let's add the storage here. If I have some components such as storage, maybe I think we have to find some storages or something like that. We have to find some storages in the component here. So I will go with the storage here with 60 or 40. I will put one here, and as you see, this is a specially component that work with some parameters from click start to click end, and you can also load some families from insert and load family, and you can go to the library and bring some components. Let's add some components to the living room. So I will go to furniture or the component. I will maybe have some sofas here. Let's start by the traditional one. I don't know if it is here. You can download or load it from the family, from the library. Maybe I have these. Let's take this one, 3 seats here. I will put one here, and also I will bring a TV component. Maybe I have one here like that, and it is hosted in the wall, so I can play with that like that. Maybe it is good like that. And let's see the kitchen now, how we can do that. Let's now reset and see that we have a counter here. Maybe you can move this like that. We have a counter here that maybe you have a custom design. So I will now go to component, model in place, and will try to choose maybe generic model or furniture system. It is not important. This is for the categories when you have to make schedules for that. So I will go with extrusion, and I have the I think the work plane is a ground floor, so it is good. I will choose maybe I will draw over these walls, these lines, to have this, and then maybe I can click this small circle. Maybe we can trim and extend these together, and then try to close the area. And for the start is from 0 ground to 90 centimeter. It is good for the counter. So I will make something like that and finish the model. And also for the kitchen, I will add some components for the, let's say, the cabinets. So I will go to component. I think in this template there will be something special for the there is some special for the kitchen, so I will go with the lower cabinets of the kitchen. Start from here to here. Yes, I think we have got some conceptual drawings in the plan for these components, and these components you can see that they are abstracted. It is not with details. This is just to maybe show your customer the components and their scales and something like that in the first and the early design stages of your design. But later on you can play with the family and make some details for that. So I will go back also and maybe add some refrigerator here and we need a refrigerator for the kitchen, so I will go with this one. Maybe try to make space, put it here, maybe it will be good here. Okay, for the bathroom also I will go. Also let's try to hide this to see what we have. I will go also with component, try to find some plumbing, maybe for a closet. Let's say if we have, yes, we have a water closet here. Let's put it here, and it is hosted in a wall. And also let's bring a shower. I think we have a shower here in this template, and if you don't have these components you can load them from the library. Yes, we have a shower here. Maybe we can have a smaller one like that, and if you are not interested, try to make space. Yes, it is good. I will align it to the edge also like that. Let's put the sink here, so I will bring a sink. Maybe you can find the sink here, kitchen sink. No, it's not. Maybe we can also have a sink here. Yes, and try also, if you have some problem here, you can put it in on face, because if you place on a vertical face it will be like that, or on work plane it will be on the work plane, which is the ground floor. So also we have to add a sink here. I think we have a sink that is different from the kitchen sink. I think tube, no, let's take another sink. Maybe we have sink. Yes, we have here sinks. Maybe we can choose a medium one for this area, because we have a restricted area in this bathroom. You can play with that. You can put in the outside also a sink, and do whatever you want. And let's put here a dining table, or make something like dining area here. So I will go and choose a table circular, maybe this one. And if you want to put the chairs around it, in previous video I showed you how you can do that. So you can choose a chair now. I will choose a chair, for example this one, space to rotate it in the same. And as you see, I have here one chair with this table, but I want to make 4 chairs around this table. So simply you can copy it maybe and rotate, but instead of doing that you can do the array and choose the polar, and here I will choose 4, and will make a place here for the center of this table, and try to bring the second one here, and it will automatically generate 4 chairs around this table, as you see here. And I showed that in a previous video. If you don't see it, I will put it above in the card. So now we have, maybe I think it is okay for the furniture. If you want, you can add any component you want from the component, and if you don't have that, you can go to the libraries and add the component that you want. So now we are done with the furniture. So let's now check if everything is okay. I think I have here some error, because this wall is not aligned with this wall from the imported CAD. So I will try to fix it by move it. It's not about the accurate. You can use the align to be accurate, but just for this tutorial I will move on quickly. So I will now maybe hide this one, HH, to hide this. You can notice that the window of the bathroom is not shown, or it's not obvious here, because this issue is related to the view range. So how we can fix that? I will go now to the view range here. Maybe we have to change this to none in order to open the view range. I think we have something here that is called the view range. So this is related to the cut plane, because if you see here that we have here something that is the cut plane is not cutted the maybe the bathroom window. So because the cut plane is over 120 centimeters, so I will put it to 200, and let's see if I apply that. You can see that the window is appeared in the plan. So this is how you can fix this issue. And now I will go back and apply the view range, the view template to let's say the site plan, in order to have the unified representation of all plans that we have. And I will show you that how you can do the view template in next videos. Now I think we are done with the walls, interior walls, exterior walls, the furniture, and the floor. Let's